Hey folks, today I will guide you on how to help us automatically post in bulk to many groups on Facebook. According to Facebook's platform regulations, an account can post a limited number of times depending on the quality of your Facebook account. Here, I will guide you on how to increase the number of posts. Let's use more Facebook accounts for automated posting. I employ a software tool to facilitate this process. This tool enables me to control multiple Facebook accounts. Here, I can handle up to thousands of accounts on Facebook. To carry out the posting action, we go to the management section, then add a script for automatic posting. Then please add the action by selecting the option to post automatically. We have two options here. Posting on a personal profile. On our personal Facebook wall, we can post on our wall and in our group simultaneously. We will configure several settings, the first being the interval time, which we typically set longer to simulate real user engagement. We will configure the content for comments and posts here. Content. Input the content here. For example, I will write something here. I will enter multi-line content, which will combine all this into one single piece. If you want to create more content, I will guide you with the following structure. I have already noted some structures here, and if you want to add icons, we can also do that in the icon format here. Yes. Then, save it. If you want to add images, you will select to draft an image for me here. For example, I will retrieve a file where I saved an image, and you will copy this file. Paste it into the image file. If you have several pictures, you can pick how many to attach. I just have one, so I will save it. After that, please provide me with the list of Facebook groups you wish to include. This list is entered as links or UIDs. I already possess a list of groups, and now I only need to copy this UID string. Or I can copy this Facebook link with each link being equivalent to one line. I will put it here. I just need to save it now, and the script will be finished. I will save to proceed with the action. Select the action I just set. Choose the action I set. Save it. Now, choose the Facebook accounts. I am selecting 20 accounts to work simultaneously, and I will click Start to initiate the action. When the software operates, it will automatically log into all your Facebook accounts. Each account will function in its own separate Chrome tab and operate independently and freely. All of these accounts will commence their process of accessing a group list from the one I have asked for, enabling them to begin their postings. These accounts will input the content I requested. I have prepared a more detailed version here. So that the accounts can log in, as you see, they will start logging in. These accounts will begin to input the content. I am providing a variety of different content, and the Facebook accounts will receive different content to post in the groups I requested. Here, the process will be sequential. After this account has completed posting in this group, it will move on to the next group for everyone. You can verify whether your post in the previous group is correct. Here I am illustrating a case where I am checking, and it includes both content and images. So, do this for all the next Facebook accounts, and continue until all requested Facebook accounts are done. This is my tool. If you want to use it, please contact me, and I will assist everyone with installation and usage guidance.